Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking earbuds. This is Truefree and it's modeled 01. This is wireless earbuds. Kind of like a bone conducting earbuds, but this is another level. It comes with the Bluetooth 5.3 plus this frequency range is between 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. On top of that, this will work on a maximum of 10 meters away from your device that is connected, and it works up to 10 hours without charging, and when you hook it up to the docking station will go up to 45 hours, and that we can charge it and reuse it over and over again. And I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. In here are all the components that are part of the box. It comes with a user manual, and this user manual comes with different languages. Also, will tell you how you can pair. When you go next is how the device will work and how you're going to be able to wear it, what each buttons means. Now going next, there's a lot of information in here. So control, question, answer, and also more information there, or even how to charge it. We will cover that in this video. And if you look in the back part of it, you have a lot of information on how you're going to be able to contact them if you need support. It also comes with a charging wire. One side is USB type A to USB-C, and this is how you will be able to charge your docking station very fast. And the big moment is the actual docking station. It's really lightweight, I have to mention. It has been shrink wrapped, has a little plastic around it to make it look very neat. And once you open it, this is how the docking station looks. I really like how they have designed it. There are some little indicators in the front on how much charge you have. And then on the top, it has their name. And when you look in the back, you have the little hinge. So once you open it, how it will be. And also the charging part is in the back. And this is how it looks. There's no other indications in there except these three lights. That means it's fully charged. And once you open it, this is how it looks. I really like that little design that they have. They also have little markings, which is right and left. And also you have the earbuds are sitting inside. This part is magnetized, so that way when you close it, this is how it sounds. But once you open it, take the earbuds off. This is how the earbuds are sitting inside. I really like how they have made it really shiny and the little parts, so that way the earbuds gets charged, and it looks really cool. So we're going to leave this in the back, and here is the actual earbuds. This is how they have designed it. You can see that it has a lot of markings on it. So this one is the right one. It has a little mark, and yes, there's a little part that you can take out, so this way you can charge your earbuds. And here is the little part, so it will get charged. You'll also have the speaker, and you can see that it is going to look really neat. It has their name on it. I like that little cut that they have done. And the mic, also the sensors, and this will go behind your ear. So this will sit behind your ear, and this will go on top of it. And we will show you in a couple of seconds how that will look. Same thing for the left side. When you go to the back, you have the indicator that this one is left, and there is a little part so you can take out, so that way you can charge it inside of your docking station. And once you open it or expose it, you're going to see the connections. That's how it's going to be charged. There's the little parts that we were talking about, the sensor and also the mic, and how they have designed it. It really looks cool on how this was really designed, and the part that goes behind your ear. In order to pair, make sure your phone is on Bluetooth mode for the meantime. So you will scroll down, select Bluetooth. So once you take it out, you're going to see it that now it's waiting for pairing, and now it should show up the name right over here. It says that Truefree 01, and we will select it. And now it takes a couple of seconds for it to be paired. There you go. Now it says pair, and it should be paired. Now there you go. And there you go. Now it says paired. So now you have a better look into it, that it will tell you that calls and audio has been paired properly. And when you look in the bottom, as usual, you have rename, disconnect, and unpair is already on the screen. So now enough said. So now to test it out, you can see that right now we're playing our video. which is on YouTube. And when you tap twice, it pauses. And when you tap twice on it, it plays again. So it works perfectly and on the spot. So there's not much latency when you're trying to play with it. I really like that how fast it connects and disconnects with it and how it will function. If you just press it once, and you can see that it will start playing for you. There you go. And stops. Now for the sound recorder, we have to wear both headphones in order to test it out. Now I have to mention that there will be a little indentation on the top that will tell you once the voice changes to these headphones to make it simple for you guys to understand and how this works. So I am just going to wear it and then we're going to switch the mic. Alright, so now it's time and we're going to start pressing. And this is how the sound really changes to go from an actual camera into the headphones. And now you will be able to hear me properly on how this will sound when you are putting it on a call, or you're going to record something, or you're in a lecture. This will really help you out to picture or grab all that voice and bring it to your phone. So later you can type it out just in case if you have that type of a class. Except that this will really work when you're outside. You can hear outside. And on top of that, it has two mics. So this way the noise cancellation will really kick in. But this is really cool. It works. So I'm going to switch back to this camera. And that's about it. So this was the voice part of it, that how it sounds when you are recording or going to take a call. Now I have to mention that the voice quality on this is excellent. Plus you can put it on and it doesn't really cover your full ear, but the sound is excellent because it goes behind your ear and in the front as I'm showing you right now. But I have to mention that this works perfectly when you are going to go jogging or you want to sit down and relax and listen to some songs or even take calls. By just a few buttons, tapping on it will work perfectly. This was our take. All the links will be available in the bottom where you can order it from. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.